Okay, on to another song. This one is called Go Tell Aunt Rhody, and it's another quarter strum song, which means we're playing only on the downbeat or the click as you hear the metronome. And we're using two chords in this song. We're using the C chord, which is played with the ring finger on the bottom string, 3rd fret, and it's played with the middle finger, which is the red button, and that makes your G chord. Okay? And we're going to be at 75 on this one, on your metronome, 75. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, play. Go tell Aunt Rhody, go tell Aunt Rhody, go tell Aunt Rhody, the old gray goose is dead. Again. Go tell Aunt Rhody, go tell Aunt Rhody, go tell Aunt Rhody, the old gray goose is dead. Nice.